Hi my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a remedy that will help you to grow back bald hair. Okay, now I actually used to have this fallen hair much at my front area. Now one of the things I did was to reduce the way I plait my hair to the back. Okay, and also I tend to use this natural homemade remedy that actually helped me so much in making my hair stronger, because my hair actually used to be a little too weak, kind of, and it falls easily. So I'm going to be showing you the remedy for it, and you also have to change your hairstyle. Yeah, that's another thing. Okay, and there are some oil out there in the market that when you use it on your hair, it breaks your hair, so you have to also watch out for that and use this natural homemade remedy. It's going to be working really fine for you. So let's dive into the video. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and let's go. To grow back bald hair, you're going to be needing to use miracle powder. Alright, so miracle powder is loaded with aloe vera gel, it's loaded with ginseng, and it's loaded with numerous and very great ingredients that helps to leave your scalp really healthy, and it also helps to leave your skin really young. So for you to get miracle powder, you have to purchase it online. Alright, that's the only place I got this. Okay, so what you're going to do is that you're going to take just a little quantity of this miracle powder into a bowl, just a little quantity, just like that, because it's usually small, so you don't need too much of that. Yeah, next ingredients we're going to be needing for this is going to be ginger. Now ginger is loaded with a lot of nutrients that helps to repair the hair scalp. It helps to remove dirt, and it also helps to kill dandruff. Okay, so using ginger alongside with miracle powder would help so well in growing back your bald hair, and it will also help to leave your hair looking really healthy. So how we're going to prepare this? So what we're going to do is that we're going to peel this off and prepare it. Okay, so after preparing it this way, you're going to either cut it in pieces, put a little bit of water and blend, or you will just do the way I'm going to do now by grating it. Okay, just like this. So after creating it, you have to put in just a little bit of water. In case you're creating it, that's when you put water after that. Okay, and then stir it all up. And after doing this, you have to keep it. Okay, now because we need the starch to come out, that's why we're going to be keeping it. Yeah, so we're going to keep it for like another 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll be back. So the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be onion. Now onion is a great remedy that works in rejuvenating the hair scalp. It helps to grow back bald hair, and it also helps to leave the hair looking healthy. It keeps your scalp clean by removing dandruff and also excessive oil that produces dandruff. Okay, So what we're going to do now is to prepare this. Now after that is done, we'll have to be creating it into the ginger bowl, and of course with the same blender, okay, the same creator I mean. But of course, to save your time, you can equally just blend, just like I said. I love to create because it also saves my time. And boof, I'm done. So I'm gonna be removing the excess from the creator into the bowl, adding up a little more water, although the onion has its own juice, but of course let's add up a little more water, and then we will now mix this all together. Now after mixing, then we'll have to grab another clean bowl, and then we'll be straining it out. So we're just going to be needing the juice, and then we're going to be straining everything out. Okay, so this is the ginger and onion juice, and I'm going to be pouring in the miracle powder into this. And then we stir all up together. Alright, so we're going to be stirring it all up. And then the last ingredient, which is actually very necessary for this, is aloe vera. So I have this little aloe vera, and you have to use fresh aloe vera for this ingredient because it's going to be very important. Okay, now aloe vera helps to repair the hair. It helps to end split ends. It also helps to prevent the hair from falling. It keeps the hair really healthy, and it also makes your hair thick black, and it stops breakage. Yeah, so I'm going to be preparing that also, because we'll be needing aloe vera in this ingredient. Now without it, the ingredient is not complete. Okay, so do not use the aloe vera gel like the one they sell already. You have to use this particular one. So I'm going to be grabbing my creator also, and we're basically creating everything into this. Okay, so that we don't have to experience lumps. We then will be transferring the aloe vera gel into the already made mix, and then we'll have to give it a stir. Now, to make sure that the sliminess of the aloe vera is broken, we would have to use a manual mixer to mix this. Yeah, so I'm actually going to be mixing it this way so that the aloe vera sliminess is going to cut. Now after that is done, the final sieving will be done, and so that we can remove any particles in this. Okay, and so that when you put it on in your scalp, you will not experience any particles. Alright, so these are the particles in which we actually do not want into this mix. And this is the solution. It's actually well sieved, and it is perfect. Okay, so what you're going to do is to transfer this into an airtight container, just like what I have here. Now you have to make sure that there is a miracle powder inside of this, okay? And after that, then you would, and this is it, guys. Okay, now you spray this into your hair, and then you have to refrigerate it and keep it. Okay, so when you're done, you spray it as often as you can into your scalp. Yeah, and then it works. Okay, let's go try that out. All right, guys, so this is the bald hair remedy, and you can store this in your refrigerator. It's going to last long, okay, because the ginger onion is going to make it last long. Okay, so you apply this whenever you are ready to do that. Okay, you apply it onto your front hair. Like me, my front hair has actually come up a whole lot. Before, it was really bad. Okay, so the spray of this thing is bad, I think so it can't spray, so I would have to be using it this way. Okay, you apply it like that onto your hair, and it doesn't smell bad. Like, ginger does not actually smell that bad, although, except garlic. Garlic gives that smell very well. So you apply it very well. You can even apply it even if you have hair on, which is what I have now. You apply a good amount of that onto your front hair. I'm going to be storing this so I can equally make use of it. Yeah, so after you've applied this, you just leave it for it to dry. And for this, you have to put it in your refrigerator. You know, there is no preservative or any chemical in it, so even if you don't keep it in your refrigerator, it's going to go bad. Yeah, so you keep it inside your refrigerator, and this is going to serve you a whole long time. Okay, so for the hair, you don't have to, look at that, you don't have to wash it off. You let it sit there and dry, and after it has dried, whenever you want to take your bath, you can wash it off, and then you apply a good oil like coconut oil onto your hair. Use coconut oil, okay, on your hair, so that you will not be experiencing all of those dandruff and all of that. But this is actually going to help you to kill dandruff a whole lot. So I'm actually going to leave mine on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's it, guys. Basically, I just rub that or spray that on my hair at the front side. But if you want your whole hair to get thicken and grow very fast and dark, also you have to use it your whole hair. Okay, and it doesn't really smell bad. Okay, when you want to store it, you can store it just like I earlier told you in the video. Okay, and it's gonna help you a whole lot. So that's it, guys. If you did enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye, guys, and